Hi friends, welcome to iPhoneTopics.com YouTube channel. Today's video is gonna show you the solutions for background app refresh grayed out and won't turn on or turn off on iPhone or iPad. When you set a restriction on background app refresh or enable low power mode, it will become grayed out. It will not work and you can't make any changes to it. So disable restrictions for background app refresh and disable low power mode. First, disable restrictions for background app refresh. Open Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.